salt in places yet to crying at the sight of strings. She was there when it came for you, for a great man and a child you knew, enough to take you far from home, enough to curdle the morning dew. Thank you very much.
Grace, everyone.